Okay, so here we go, guys. Oh man, my back. Oh man, that wasn't good. That was lucky. I just this girl is not. She's a sister of the grumpy one, and I thought there was only one truly grumpy one, but Tim reminded me there was actually 2 out of the 4 sisters that are not very nice. Whoa, Juliet. Be a little careful, Juliet. You didn't even flinch. My daughter's filming this, and 2 of my daughters are filming this. And it just took a good swing at her, and she's the one that doesn't mind getting bit. We want to get the egg crate. I'm not as prepared as I should have been on this one. So, anyway, whoa, right there, Juan. So be careful. Go down low. So Juan knew that she was not a very nice one, so we had this one. Had this a little bit of a block. Whoop, 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 whoop. This is going to be interesting because my back is, is extremely wore out. See, I was trying to cover for Juan. This guy behind me, Matt, took me out. I met him at the gym and he decided to wear me out. Never try to keep up with the young, tough guys. Okay, here you go. So, she laid a lot of eggs, but there's some infertils, which surprises me because these girls are really good about, oh man, whoa, this one is really giving me, this is a handful, guys. So, whoa, so a lot of times people always wonder why in the world would you leave the eggs with the snake? Because I want the babies to hatch. So she laid them in this small box because she wants to protect them, which is a normal instinct for a mother. But the idea is that even in the wild they don't hatch all their eggs. And in this clutch is some infertile eggs. So these infertile eggs will actually end up decaying and cause problem for the fertile eggs. Whoa, she's going for the family, man. I got one daughter filming here, one daughter filming there for the different platforms. And man, by the way, you guys, you blew it up on TikTok, 7 million views in 2 days. It was sick. Funny thing is the hashtag, I was on a trending hashtag. They took me off it at 1 million. I don't know what would have happened if they left me on the trend. It would have been ridiculous. But anyway, having a good time here. And oh man, so I want to get these eggs. I would normally pull her off, but when there's infertiles, I'm always nervous to pull them off because the infertile eggs don't stick together. So it creates pockets where the eggs can roll around. And these eggs have an embryo at the very top that I don't want them to die. They're right there. And so I need to keep that an upward motion. Oh yeah, she wants to keep an upward motion, which means that I have to risk it way more because she could still try to get me. Come on, girl, turn around. I don't want the camera girls. Whoa, I don't want the camera girls getting bit. Whoa. Okay, I gotta put your eggs over there, girl. Stay over this way. Whoa. I gotta be a little careful. She's gonna hurt her own eggs, which is pretty normal in the wild because what they have to do, they have to protect themselves. You know, against leopards would be common with these guys, and because they come in from Asia, so there's leopards, and there's actually they come from areas where Bengal tigers live, and let me see here. I'm like, you know, I don't mind getting bit. It doesn't freak me out too much, but this is a big snake, and so when it bites you, it's a whole nother level of bite. Come on, girl. Whoa, come on. So I never used this before, but it's working pretty darn good. So at some point I got to take her off. So looks like she's laid. Man, we thought she was going to lay 1 million eggs because they were small eggs. These eggs are not really big for a female as big as she is. And so she would have thought she was going to lay a lot of eggs. But she laid enough, and we're going to get these ones to hatch because what we're going to do is we're going to put them in an incubator with controlled environment, which is so much better than. Whoa. Yeah, my back is like telling me, you don't got the speed. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. Whoa, come on. Come on. Oh, man, I got one. I got to get underneath her. Would you guys do this? I don't think you would. Okay. Okay, girl. You want to give me a kiss. All she wants to do is give me a kiss. But she knows I'm going to take care of her babies. Oh, see that? I can barely even stand up. What did you do to me, Matt? He's over there giggling. Okay, so I think, oh man, there's still 2 in a really scary zone. Come on, girl. Yeah, got him. Uh-oh. Come on. Whoa. Okay. Oh man, there's still 1 more in a bad zone. Can I pull it off? Am I gonna bleed during this video? Comment down below. How many eggs did we get fertile? What do you guys think? And now the fun part is that I gotta take her out, which funny enough is kind of not as bad as you would think. I say that. I should have never said that right before I'd taken her out because I'll probably bleed. But the concept is real simple. She'll point her away like a gun to prevent her from getting me. My Laura's grabbing the box right down there to make sure the box doesn't fall. Okay, Juan, you ready? Juan here takes care of them all the time. Now, that 1 egg is not as bad as I thought it was. I think I'm going to keep that egg. Now I'm going to show you that egg. Whoa, what's up, Juan? Whoa! So, okay. Now the funny part is, whoop, was that almost a bite? The funny part is, whoop, hello. This one's all the way to the end, guys. Tag a friend, whoop, she just got me, but not much. Just kind of glazed me. And we're gonna get her out. And I might even open one of these eggs for fun. Show you guys what's inside of them. I showed a few. So she just laid less eggs than normal. There's still a lot of infertiles. Now this egg has an infertile end and a fertile end. And you know what? I overlooked it thinking it was mostly infertile, but really it's gonna hatch. We've got an 80% chance of that egg hatching, which is pretty good considering they don't have an 80% chance of the wild hatching. Not even close. Now, see, so this one here has like a 0% chance because infertile 90% of it just isn't going to happen. That egg is not going to happen. These eggs are 100% infertile. Inside of these eggs are kind of unique. Unlike a chicken egg that has the yolk, which is the yolk and the white's kind of the fluid for the animal to drink and all that, because they're kind of a more encased egg. These eggs are like leather, and so they actually absorb through their skin. Now these, when they're normally white, see, so they're normally white like that, you can see that they're like a normal egg, and it's actually lets it breathe through it, absorb water through it, everything. So snake eggs, reptile eggs don't need the white in them. Instead, what happens is they drink water because they come from humid areas. And so this egg is full of nothing but yolk, see? So there's the yolk, and there won't be a baby in it, so I don't have to worry. So there you go. So there's the yolk, and the yolk is a thick, sticky substance. And I'm starting to wonder if when the egg comes out, the way these are all glued together, if that's not a thin layer of yolk, because the materials that the yolk's made out of, because that stuff is like super glue, and it's mind-blowing. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you tag a friend, share it anywhere you can. And I want to tell you, most of all, I hope you're enjoying whatever you're doing for work. I love my job, and I love talking to all you guys. So take care, have an awesome day, a great week, and keep living your dream, whatever it is. And go find it if you don't know what it is, because it's out there looking for you. Take care, guys. Be yourself.